If you're heading to the beautiful city of Verona, Italy, may we recommend the Hotel San Marco. Hotel San Marco is located a quick 6-minute taxi ride from the Verona Porto Nuova train station. And it is only a quick 13-minute taxi ride to the Old City and Juliet's house. True, this hotel is not directly in the Old City, but it is far less expensive. The hotel is situated in a somewhat residential area and very safe to walk around. Hotel San Marco is very clean, very modern, and seems to cater more towards business travelers rather than tourists. The hotel features a beautiful pool, and there is a spa as well. Full bar service along with some snacks. Breakfast is included and was a very large and nice selection of a typical European breakfast. If it's pizza you're craving, you're in luck. Pizzeria Stadio de Robi is just a 3-minute walk from the hotel, and it is fantastic. Here's the full room tour. It's quite a large room. It is a large bed. More firm by our standards, but perfectly suitable. There's a large wardrobe available, extra bedding, safe, plenty of space for everything you might take. Nightstands with a chest of drawers if you'd like to unpack. And again, good sized bed, comfortable, slightly on the firm side. Very nice bathroom, including a bidet here. Heated towel racks, those are great, especially if you need to do wash while you're here. You can dry your clothes on the towel rack. Dual head shower, very nice. However, the shower was a little narrow. I'm not going to lie to you there. Another nightstand, place to place your luggage to unpack. And this is a very good sized desk. I worked here while we were there. Nice sized TV. And includes standard mini fridge. This particular room, 112, has a view out onto the pool, and you can see apartment residences nearby. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.